Hello everyone, myself Sudeep Kambli, Assistant Professor in Computer Science Faculty. In this video learn about mixed reality. What is mixed reality? Mixed reality is a blend of virtual reality and augmented reality. It is also known as hybrid reality. Mixed reality gadgets work by making a 3D guide of client's environment and filtering the physical conditions so the gadget know how and where to put the mechanized content into the space sensibly while enabling the customer to team up with it utilizing movement. MR Encounter welcome mechanized content into client continuous condition, enabling the client to work together with them. The visualization can carry on like certifiable question and connect with surroundings around them because of the utilization of straightforward focal points, comprehension of physical situations and sound. So here will be explain applications of mixed reality. First application is industries. Second application is medical. Third application is collaboration. Fourth application is navigation. Fifth application is entertainment. Sixth application is education and training. Seventh application is office. First application is industries. The first MR system was developed by Steve Feiner in 1993 at Columbia University. This system directs the user for basic maintenance and repairing operations. Lee exhibited MR framework that was circulated and cooperation arranged. Their system fuses mobile phones and otherwise PC terminals, related with a server and mysticism-based setting affirmation structure to render the information in the setup fitting to the client and the situation. One more application, Magic Book, was utilized to fabricate 3D model of item on the pages of the book. Next application is medical. To visualize the medical image like CT scan, MRI of different body part of patients, the mixed reality is very useful. It helps to direct the surgeon to operate the patient. These medical images are displayed on the monitors that are in the operating system. It has been observed that accuracy ratio is increased by using these technologies. Next application is collaboration. It another zone of utilization for mixed reality. Here for instance a remote expert offers direction to an operator on field. The operator makes utilization of portable mixed reality to catch the situation around him and forward it to the expert which investigations it and aids the expert in like manner through visual flow of the expert's mixed reality framework or the sound channel. Next application is navigation. Mixed reality is useful in navigation for assistant purpose. It is very similar to compass where sign demonstrate the best possible course without getting influenced by introduction of device. It could be used to manage visitors inside the house or structure or for explorers in another city. Next application is entertainment. A few energies application were recommended, in which handlers must connect with engineered characters or gadgets which show up in their real environment. Mixed reality can be utilized as a part of games which help to build the competition and additionally coordinated efforts among the players. For instance, MR variant of the Quake computer games. Next application is education and training. There are two ways mixed reality can be used in the classroom. The first is more traditional. It involves a desktop setup in which students explore a virtual environment using computer, keyboard, mouse, or some other input device, for example a wireless controller. This is properly defined as virtual reality. The second is what today we use to identify as actual MR. It is the fully immersive experience that requires students to wear an HMD head-mounted display and motion controller, through which they can interact with an environment produced by a mix of real and virtual worlds, where physical and digital objects coexist. Thanks to this mixed reality, students can touch and manipulate objects, generating a greater understanding of them, and this doesn't stop here. Students can also interact with data sets, complex formulae and abstract concepts which could be more difficult to understand through teachers' verbal instructions. For many students, in fact, learning by doing is easier than learning by listening. This second kind of mixed reality provides a more engaging, fun and effective learning experience than the first one and, it goes without saying, than all the other traditional educational methods. And this is true for any subject: hard science, biology, anatomy, geology, astronomy. Subjects like these, traditionally considered as the most complicated, gain new learning opportunities thanks to the interaction with dimensional objects, human bodies, animals and environments. Next application is Office. Microsoft brings mixed reality to the Office with SharePoint Spaces. Microsoft today rolled out a new product, SharePoint Spaces, which adds immersive, mixed reality experiences to the long-standing web-based, collaborative platform, widely used by businesses to share internal content. Mixed reality (MR) is the use of both virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) technologies to create an environment where physical and virtual objects can exist and interact in real time. MR overlays images or videos over a screen showing reality through a mobile camera, smart glasses or headsets. For any queries, contact me with the given email address. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.